So hello everyone, welcome back to another class of NSSB. So today we'll be doing NSSB combined clerical elite service examination, that is CSE 2023 previous year question paper aptitude portion maths portion grow there. And this question can be downloaded from the NSSB website, that is the NSSB website. From here go to CASE আৰু এটাতে download কৰিব go to 2023 and you will be able to download the CASE question paper from the NSSB website. So I have made the questions. I have clicked the numerical questions from here and we'll be solving one by one from this. And if you guys are interested in the mock test page, so those who are interested can apply for the mock test. You can contact in the WhatsApp and Telegram for more information. So let us get started with the aptitude portion previous year paper. Question number 171 by this question paper. So question: the bar graph shows the expenditure and savings of 5 different families A, B, C, D, and E for August 2022. Study the graph and answer the questions below it. So the graph dina je aro date A, B, C or D dina je A, B, C, D or E dina je family. Aro taon de ki aje bole to expenditure aro saving la dina je. That is, for example, A karne to ki aje bole to saving to 40, expenditure 60 inga. Aro similarly for B to 60 aro 40 inga, and 75, 25, 20, 80, 50 aro 40, 50 aro 50 or 50. So question ba hudese ki if the expenditure of family B and C is same, then the ratio of the saving is kesa. So in the graph question there in the exam, a graph will be given and from here a part of the question will be asked to solve. So yede ba wazi ki question ba B and C la bisare ko ja family B and C. So if it look at B and C, so itu kina approach grow first step by step grow there. So first of all, let me pull down the question here for more clarity. So mon B or C la bisare ko ja B or C la na B or C. So if we look at the first to saving S to them way. So saving there B la to kiaja, that is 60 na aro C la de kimana 75 aro expenditure de kimana ja expenditure to 40 is and for C it is 25. So in the graphic the baname if you want to be more clear with this. So question because if the expenditure of family B and C it either same as for B and C though same as it means like say even though B la expenditure to 40% as na aro C la to 25% as hole be tala it means like tala 40% of expenditure to it C la 25% of expenditure. It means ki koza, it means like for example tila satik ta 50,000 salary khai na aro to COVID 30,000 salary khai, just an example. Okay, so even though tai 50% taila salary to save kore ja taila 50% salary ko mana half as that means 25,000 to save kore ja for example de aro to tila kobe ki around 80% of salary to save kore ja. So 80% of salary to iman la to almost 25% la ja, that is 80 by 100 of 30,000. The H is a 24,000. So tai tula sati 50% save kura do tui 80% save kura holi amount do same aiza. So this is the real meaning. Means percentage to alag ta go pare holi bi amount do same aiza. So according to the question mon kina proceed kro, that is how do we proceed, that is the question bako ase ki expenditure of B la expenditure kiman ase, expenditure ta expenditure B la do expenditure do 40 ase 40%, aro C la do kiman ase 25%. So same goes, same money equal goes. That means the 40% of expenditure of B is equal to 25% of C. Ingazro. That is not same expenditure. Amount the same as kali percentage to alag. So already percent do ki 40 by 100 of B is equal to 25 by 100 of C. So 100 or 100 katiwa na aro idu kina kati asu kona digale to if you're unsure of this itu ki kone kati sula I'll show you the basics. So cross multiply kore, that means itu 25 to niche jawo aro 100 to niche jawo 100 to upper jawo hinga. So itu B is down. So B by C kuro. So B de either ke RC do niche de poto B by C hujule do itu 25 to taila jaga de rakibe itu 100 to upper jawo di. In the same way itu 100 to niche de odo aro itu 40 to niche jawo nga. So 100 or 100 to cancel ho jaise same age de dikha nishta. And 25 or 40 though we can cancel by 5 is 25 and 5 8 is 40. That means B by C is 5 by 8 idu. So B by C is 5 by 8. So idu taila expenditure do 5 by 8 is. So we can write this as how much, that is 8 idu cross multiply kore 8 to B lo de multiply kore 8B is equal to 5C. So B so B do side directly do 5C by 5 into C divided by 8. So B is equal to 5C by 8. Just idu B do niche do C do upper de digit. That means B is equal to 5 into C aro niche de 8. So we can write it down this. Mon itu ki karone bisar jokle to itu mon next saving de mon itu replace, that is substitute korna mon answer lole. So we found this as 8 itu 8B is equal to 5C. That is B is equal to 5C by 8. ঠিক আছে. Then find the ratio of the savings koje, ratio tana saving. So ede expenditure mon already find korna ase our saving de basically the B la de kiman ase saving do, B la saving do 60 ase and C la do kiman ase 75. So tajun la saving la ratio bisare goja, that means B by C is equal to 60% of B is equal to 75% of C. Now that means kina koro do 60%, 60 by 100 of B of the multiplier and 75 by 100 of C. So 100 or 100 cancel kore. That means 60B by 75C. Out of 5 by my 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 1 5 5 5 25 5 3 2 3 3 4 12 and 3 this is 10 5 1 5 3 4 12 3 5 15 that means 4 b by 5 c that means 4 b by 5 c so mon already b la value bicharna je that is b is equal to 5 c so it is substitute kuro ekta de so I hope you're clear with this now 4 b by 5c so 4 b la value to 5 c by 8 as and c is 5 c the c cancel 4 4 to the 8 that means 5 by 2 by c so we'll be writing here that is 5 by 2 by 5 now that means 5 by 2 into 5 to 1 by 5 4 that means kata kati value to 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 that means it is 1 is to 2 1 is to 2 is the correct answer so the answer is D that is 1 is to 2 so I hope you're clear with this next question Joe so pie chart dinner and in this pie chart the following pie chart shows the percentage of the monthly expenditure of Mrs. Rao and her monthly income is rupees 50,000 given the pie chart answer the questions given below the difference between the money spent on house rent and monthly bill is how much so Mrs. Rao gonna ekta manu ekta maiki kam kore aro taila salary to 50,000 aje buja ede dina je aro dola taila monthly taila expenditure ka manase dina that is saving 20% food and entertainment 25% rent 12 monthly bill 22 transportation 9% EMS that is 12% so question do alag alag way ba ask koro that is ede do difference money ki ase rent aro monthly bill do minus korna bisari go answer do and question twist karna pare ki find the monthly expenditure of saving p bisari go pare or EMS p bisari pare so or the sum total of EMS or food entertainment it will be plus korna bisari go so in this case how do we proceed how do we know the basics so total do tala salary dikam na total do 50,000 aja tala salary do so for example any example there question do that is any saving so question bo any extra question there that is saving bisari ko tala saving so we can see saving dikam na 20% aja 20% so 20% it means kids that is 20 by 100 of salary 50,000 so inga jagla to kiman hoba tela savings to 0 cancel that means 20 into 500 is how much 5 to the 10 row 1 2 3 that means tela savings to rupees 10,000 as out of the 50,000 so idu inga bisaro that is the percentage that is any percentage that is 12 divided by 100 into 50,000 inga bisaro goza so question ba ko ki rent monthly house rent HR house rent kiman azatela the house rent is 12% it was a 12% 12 by 100 of 50,000 to cut out 0 katibe so it will be 12 into 500 it will be 12 is a 60 1 2 so the HR is how much rupees 6,000 into rupees one is a 6,000 ঠিক আছে next we'll be finding out the how much the monthly bill. So monthly bill take 22%, that is 22 divided by 100 of 50,000. Go to 0000, that is 22 into 500 is how much? 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 11. So 11,000 is the monthly bill. So I do rupees 11,000. So monthly bill to 11,000 aro rent to 6,000. So to difference could be zero, that means minus, that means 11,000 minus 6,000 will come to rupees 5,000. 5,000. So in case for example tanba question ulta korna hode ki what is the total sum of house rent and monthly allowance korle to itu 11,000 plus 16,000, 17,000 will be the answer. So this is the way to do the pie chart. So I hope you're clear with this. Chalo next question karo. (173) If 80% of x plus root of x is 81, find the value of x. So question to kaise ki idu 80% of 100. If 80%, that means 80 by 100 of means multiply of 100 plus root x 81 bisar ko sa. So it is 0 to katiwa, that means 80 plus root x is equal to 81. So it is 80 potaili to kiwo x is equal to 81 minus 80 is how much? Root x to kiman aja 1. So root x to 1 aja. So we can squaring both side. Itu ki karna iskule to itu root to phete dole. So x to whole square is equal to 1 to whole square. So inga iskule to root or 2 to ola jo x 1 or 1 to multiply iskule to it will come to 1. That is x la value to 1 aja. So the answer is number C. So I hope you're clear with this. Kitya of tago, it means multiply koribo sa. It kitya percent tago, that means 80 by 100 koribo sa. So this is the correct way to do it. Next question koro. Question number 174. The average of first 5 prime number is average money kiya. When the question comes average means for example question there for example koi ki ekdam function aja manuna function manu asda any function to na sati function ekjun to sal 21 ekjun sal 22 ekjun sal 20 ekjun 24 or ekta 30 koi. So average bizarre goes. So how do you find 21 plus 22 plus 20 plus 24 plus 30 divided by 1 kiman jon aja function aja. So 5. So this is the way to, that is average ticket, that is sum divided by the total number of objects or the persons. Okay, average koi. So question do what is the average of the first 5 prime number. So first 5 prime number to that is we know that 1 the prime number no 2 by 0 3 back the prime number 5 p prime number 7 be prime number aro 11 be prime number. So what actually are prime numbers? Prime numbers to ki ajukule to prime numbers are those numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. For example, to koi prime number ekta 5 koi. So itu 5 ke tui ki ba divide koribo tu 1 ba divide koribo to 1 5 za 5 aro next to 5 to 5 1 za 5 koribo. You cannot divide by 2, you cannot divide by 3, you cannot divide by 4. You can only divide by the number itself and 1. So you don't get prime number. Example the case 13, 17, 19, 23, 23 or 29 ase 31 be inga. So these are all prime numbers. So first 5 prime number to 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 divided by 5 kuja. So it will come to around 5.6. So the answer is D, 5.6. Next question, grow. If A is to B is to 1 is to 2 and ratio was there and B is to C is 3 so 4, then what is A is to C? So question book was given A by B तो 1 by 2 goes ठीक है and B by C ठीक है 3 by 4 goes so A by C तो क्या goes so A or B तो 1 by 2 or B by C तो 3 by 4 so A by C तो किना नहीं we can multiply A by B into B by C multiply group that is 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 let the B or B cancel that means A by C that means 3 1s are 3 4 2s are 8 that means 3 is to 8 is the correct answer. So I hope you clear this. So I'll be winding up the video here and in the next class I'll be continuing the series. So thank you guys, and if you're interested in the mock test, the link is provided here. You can check it out to help you with your NSSB examination preparation. So thank you guys and all the best. So hello everyone, welcome back to another class of combined clerical and allied service. So Ajiki Kurgoleto will be continuing the series of solving the previous year question paper 2023 la question paper, especially maths portion. So let us start with the class, and before I start my class I'd like to announce that there's mock test. So if you're interested in a mock test, you can register to help you with your NSSB preparation. So let us start with the class, that is CSRE. Last time on 175 to will be continuing to 176. So the question paper you can download from the NSSB website PYQ CASE aro 2023 jawa aro CSE ba itu download grow. So let's start with the class, that is a point 1 2 lies in the line case. So ekta point is 1 is to 2, that means key was that is x-axis to 1 as a arrow, y-axis to 2 des. So aro itu line la equation itu line to kuti take gonna question. So if we take the graph itu to maths as I'll show you, that is the Cartesian point itu axis as aro itu y-axis as that is aro ye this is negative as aro itu positive as. So aro yete be y phale to yete positive as aro itu negative as. So these are the 4 Cartesian points of x and y. So x to, for example, to 1 is 2 as. So x to 1 as, that means x la value 1 as there, and y la value to, for example, 2 is. So either 1 or 2 to ekta line join korle. So itu idu line la equation do ki ba kundu line idu 1 2 3 to 3 date kundu line lai gore na huti is. So very simple, that is 1 or 2, that means x axis to 1 or y to 2 was. So first number A to say 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. That means left hand side to it was 2x minus 3y. So x la value to the 1 in minus 3 into 2. 2 minus 3 to the 6, that means 2 minus 6 minus 4. So left hand side minus 4 or right hand side the key is 1 as that means nimile, so itu line ogre. Next question, let us see another, that is b the x plus 2y is equal to 5. That means left hand side the x tikman as a 1 or 2 the 2 as that means 1 plus 2 to the 4, that means 5. Or right hand side the 5 as so it shows that left hand side or right hand side the right as that means itu lie guri question the option number B. So for example in let's see the option number CB when any check out there, even though we have already found the answer C la value, that means x minus 2y is equal to 0. That means left hand side to x is 1, y is 2, that means 1 minus 2 to the 4, that is minus 3. So minus 3 or right hand side to the key is 0. So left hand side or right hand side to wrong, that means it will be line over. So the answer is option number B. So I hope you clear. Let us go to the next question. What percentage of number from 1 to 70 have 1 or 9 in its unit place? Units place. So units place together. Units though, for example, to lead 12,000 rupees. So one kidia, for example, 0 rupees we count as unit 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. That means 12 lakh. That means unit the first digit the first digit, that is unit, that is 1 2 3 don as a unit, that is the first digit of the series, that is itu position the unit as a, that is itu unit the first as a unit or itu 10 or 100 as a 1000 as inka. So unit to itu koi. So serial number 1 to 70 the unit place de kiman kundu number ase aro itu percentage bisari goje. So first we have to know how much what are the numbers. So 1 as obviously 1 or 9 thai go lai udu unit place de 9 ho na 1 or 9 the thai go lai next 11 do tala unit place de no itu position itu ge unit place ko. So 11 base 19 base because tala position it is a 19 na. Next to 21 ho because tala position the unit is itu 2 to know the 2 do itu tens place de. Next to q 29 ho, next to 31 ho, 39 is 41 49 51 59 61 69 itu. So how many digits are there? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So there are 14 digits that have 1 or 9 which is in the range of 1 to 70 in its units place. So NSSB can be chala that is takan 14 din ase. Huli bi question de ki hudin ase. the question is asking that to find the percentage cause. That is kiman percent digits to idu out of 70 de ase gono cause no. So 14 digits as no divided by how many digits are there? 1 to 70. There are 70 digits into 100 crore percent goes no percentage to. So 0 or 0 katiwa 7 2 are 14. So 2 into 10 is 20%. Itu goes. Takan deliberately takan ida answer de percent dina nai. But itu answer to 19 as. That is 19% is the not 19 20% is the correct answer. Percentage picture question, not the number of digits. So I hope you have understood this. Let us go to the next question. The cost price of 11 pence is same as the price of 8 pence. What is the percentage profit? So ekta concept ekta shikao mudige, that is profit and loss la. In the previous classes I've explained the profit and loss, but ekta fundamental or basic to ke jogule to profit. For example to a mobile ekta Android phone ekta bigger version. For example to kopi iPhone kinisha. iPhone ko ini 16 ko. There. So to gina tam dia price to kubi ni 1 lakh ko. Te 1 lakh la iPhone kinisha. Yaf itu ti kinisha. So it is the cost price. Cost price te ini itu question lo related to the moine concept shikaja. Aro to suppose in 1 month julana te bigger ko maje at Nagaland financial ini Facebook or kiba OLX te bigger ko at the cost of 90,000. That is the selling price. 1 there. So to kina tam to 1 lakh pa kinisha. Well, to bigger ko to 90,000. So to ki ko you are obviously getting loss. So loss to kiman, that is to 1 lakh to 1 lakh pa kinisha. Will be to 90,000 pa bigger ko. That is you are getting a loss of rupees 10,000. So from here we can find the formula as loss to keza, that is the cost price minus selling price, that is 1 lakh minus 90,000. So loss is CP minus SP. Bujia. So next one aro kubi ki to iPhone the kinisha brand new will be to ki renovate ki like airports kan ki dalina. So now the cost is 1 lakh 10,000. So obviously to the bigger grocery. So ita to profit te jais no, that is to 1 lakh pa kinisha only to 10,000 by bigger grocery. So it will be profit. So profit is that is 1 lakh 10,000 minus 1 lakh. So it is 10,000 profit. So that means 1 lakh 10,000 the selling price minus cost price. So profit there formula the selling price minus cost price and loss the cost price minus selling prices. So this is the formula of selling price and cost price at the most fundamental level there it was. So if the cost price of 13 pen is same as the selling of 8 pence. So what is the profit percentage cause? Percentage profit. Are the percentage pay bisaro cause? So first, so according to the question, cost price of 11 pen is same as selling price of 8 pen. That means 11 CP is equal to 8 SP. So or ulta korna likhibi ni SP into 8 is equal to CP into 11 ini koide ultai korje moi itu ede korje aru itu la ede nishe ma same is to SP to side te rakhibe aru CP to ini inga kori dibe 8 to nije di chaude, that is SP is equal to CP into 100 by 11 by 8. So itu paisha. Now it was SP is equal to 11 CP by 8. It was now what is its profit percentage question? So a percentage profit. So percentage profit bisaro bole to mon first profit bisaro le to. So profit to ki is we already know it is SP minus CP. Now selling price to mon SP to mon already find korna ase 11 CP divided by 8 yeti ba is the minus CP basically to 8 11 CP minus 8 CP, that is 3 CP by 8. It was so profit to imam bashe holibe question do profit percentage bisari goza. So profit percentage to kiaza, that is formula to profit divided by CP into 100 as a formula to 100 te. So profit to mon is 3 CP divided by 8 as a divided by CP into 100. So CP or CP cancel go, that is it will come to 3 into 100 divided by 8, that means 300 by 8. So it will come to around 37.8 percentage. So 37.8 percentage is the answer. That is option number D is the correct answer. So I hope you're clear with this. Chalo next question karo. Very simple, but is LCM of 42 and 36. So LCM to 42 or 36 by factorization method. First 2 bar grow, 2 to the 4, 2 1 to 2, 2 1 to 2, 2 8 to 16, 2 2 9 to 18, 3 3 7 to 3 3 to row 3 bar grow 7 1 or 7 to 1 1 to, that means 3 for itu 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So it will amount to how much? It will amount to 252. So the answer is option number D, 252. So I hope you're clear. Chalo last question karo aji karne. That is itu simplification last day 5.25 into 6 both must rule chalo 4 divided by 7 minus 2 is equal to x square. So x la value be. So here both must la rule chalo POTMS both must de monkey chale. Bracket the first division, multiplication, addition or last subtraction grow. Bracket de ta the first solve grow, that means divide part de glibe bitor de ta the first solve grow. So 5.25 into 6 into 4 it will come to 126 divided by 7 minus 2 is equal to x square. So 126 divided by 7 minus 2 is equal to x square. That is 126 to divide 7 by, that means 7 ones are 7, 7 56, 7 8 56, that means 18 18 minus 2 is equal to x square. 18 minus 2 to that is 16 is equal to x square. So x to root of 16 will come to 4, that means 4 4s are 16. So the answer is option number A, 16 4 is the correct answer. So with this, the second part of the numericals has been completed. I hope you have understood something, and if you want to go and have mock tests, so you can contact in the WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching, and all the best for your exam. Thank you. Hello everyone, today we'll be starting a new series, that is NSSB Aptitude portion. So NSSB la Aptitude portion I'll be starting maths portion. Then the series first class will be starting with the last year NSSB question paper 2. So question combo solve kuro, and we'll be looking at some of the questions that might be repeated in the exam. They repeat ho pare, we never know, but I'll show you how the question is solved and what type of question can be repeated in the next exam also. So let us start. And if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe, and you can join in the link provided in Telegram channel. You can join and download the current affairs also. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1, the key question: in how many different ways can the letter of the word leading can be arranged in such a way that the vowels always come together? So leading L-E-A-D-I-N-G, leading, the vowels to can arrange group in such a way that they are always together in the sense that it leading the vowels to A, E, I, O, U vowels to it was. So yede E to ekta vowels is A ekta vowels and I is the vowels. So there are 3 vowels. So vowels to 3 does, and remaining consonants ko means vowels la alag tando L, D, N, G. That means 4 as consonants. So in how many ways it will leading to arrange group in such a way that the vowels are always together? So if the vowels are always together in the sense like ki was equal to L, D, N, G as a word to aro vowels to idu E, A, R, I. Idu tinda do ekta jagate always together. That means yede E, A, I inga bhi ho pare, yede bhi E, A, I inga ho pare, yede E, A, I bhi ho pare, yede A, E, I inga bhi ho pare, yede A, E, I inga bhi ho pare. That means idu L, D, N, G lam mojude vowels to dalu paro inga. So we consider this E, I, A, S ekta position ekla consider kor, means yede bhi ho pare, yede ho pare, yede bhi ho pare, yede bhi ho pare, yede ho pare na bujhiya. So we write this as for kiman naje L, D, N, G. L, D, N, G idu to kiman word aje ekta duita tinta charta aje aro E, A, I do we considered as one ekta nishina lulu. That means together pangsta aje, pangsta na. So pangsta ki level to, for example L, D, N, G idu la mojude idu tinda E, A, I do ayu do yede bhi E, A, I ayu, yede bhi E, A, I, yede bhi E, to idu mojude ki ayu lese to we can put together as one, means idu E, A do ekta banai dibe to yede gana means any position de ho pare. So in this way we write this as charta consonant. That means yede L, D, and G do charta ase into idu factorial as the and into 3 factorial. That means 3 factorial to idu E, A, I idu. So remaining the 4 factorial into 3 factorial. So inga will be since we are considered this as 1, so itu 4 do L, D, and G gonna any position in the so we will take this E, A, I as 1. So together do 5 ho 5 factorial. That means 5 idu 4 do kiman ho 5 ho, including the E, A, I. Idu vowel the ekta nishina lolibi. So it will be 5 into kiman vowels ase 3 the vowels. So the answer is 5 factorial into 3 factorial. That means 5 idu exclamation mark means ki ase means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into it was the 5 factorial or 3 do 3 into 2 into 1. The kiman ho 5 was 20 into 3 to the 6 into 1 to 3 to the 6. That means 20 into 6 6 the 36. 36 6 the 72. 36 is something, so 720. So the answer is 720. I hope you got this. So next, the type of the question I'll be explaining you. For example, if the question comes like L, E, A, R and learn. Now, in how many ways these words can be arranged? Simple. In how many ways idu kina arrange kobre? So kiman words ase? Idu vowels can go on any simple. That means L, E, A, R, N. That means pangsta word ase. Idu factorial ingogri. Idu kina arrange kobre? In how many ways can the learn be arranged? Kina arrange kobre? Gilo kitaba L, A, E, R, N be hobre. Kitaba L, N, R, E, A inga. So idu kiman times arrange kobre gilo to we take the number of letters 1 2 3 4 5 to pangsta. So 5 factorial. That means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That means kiman ho 5 4 is 20 into 3 to the 6 3 to the 6 inga now 6 to the 12 120 ways it change kobre position. Next, if for example aro ekta koi ki for example laptop inga hoshikile to how many ways this can be arranged without repeating means ke hoshikile to it words kono repeat no korle. So ete laptop te kiman ase words 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 factorial ho. Got it? But since laptop te without repeating goshiro, so 6 words to hoise will be ete p or p to repeat kores no repeat no korle do, so divided by 2 factorial inga koro. If double p is equal to 3 factorial inga words te kiman repeat kores iman nisnai itu tai grow, so 2 factorial. That means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. So 2 ones kati ho divisna we find the number this one as the sum. Got it? So I hope you all got this. Next, question number 4. The maths portion is there. A small triangle is having 3 sides. Another big triangle is having sides exactly double the sides of the smaller triangle. Then what is the area of the smaller triangle to the bigger triangle? So ekta triangle ekta chutu ekta ase that means our tala side to korbi a go. For example itola triangle the ABC goje ode tala side to a ase means idu tala side to man ase chutu ase right. Our next our ekta triangle develop tangor ekta, that means x y z loi aro double the side goje to a goshilo idu double the side ho 2a na. Then what is the ratio means divide group as area of small triangle to the area of the bigger triangle. So ito kina kuro. So since area triangle la area ke area of triangle itu ABC. So ABCD ke area of triangle. We know that half into base into height o. So half into base into height to half base to kiman aje itu base ke was the A into height to kiman aje A. So itu A into A to A square by 2 hoja. Got this? Next to itu dangor la lo. That means triangle ABC la area to A square by 2 aja. Now similarly itu dangor la lo, that means area of triangle XYZ to half into base to kiman aje 2A into our height to 2A. That means 2 cancel kore. That means 2 into A square. Itu aja. Bujia. Itu aja. That means area of triangle ABC to A square by 2. Area of triangle XYZ to 2A square aja. So ita ki bisa ratio of the bigger triangle XYZ na divided by the triangle ABC. No. The ratio of smaller triangle to bigger triangle. Smaller triangle question. The first chutu wala to ABC lo. Sorry. And the smaller triangle to lo. That is XYZ. So ABC to kiman aje A square by 2 na divided by XYZ to kiman aje 2A square aja. So let us do it this like this. I hope you all are clear like this. So the ratio to smaller triangle to A square by 2 aro 2A square itu hoise. So A square by 2 to first rakyo A square by 2 na aro iti kita upor jawa into itu niche de 1 ajalo to itu invert jawa upor jaise bole to 1 do upor jawa aro 2 do A square jawa inga bujhicha itu multiplication na rule ase. So A square cancel hoise chile to 1 by 2 2 is 4. That means 1 by 4 to 1 is to 4 be likho paro. So the answer is 1 is to 4. I hope you all understood this. That is first triangle chitu luwa ABC luwa udade A side to aro tangor triangle luwe XYZ udade double aro kita both triple or 4 times singa be go. So we take this as area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle XYZ inga. So ABC la to half into kiman howa A base into height, that means A square divided by half into kiman aje 2A into 2A. That means half cancel kore A cancel kore to it is 1 by 4. Shortcut we go over. So I hope you all got this. This is 1 by 4. Next question. 2 tailors are paid a total of rupees 550 per week by their employer. If X is paid 120% of the sum paid to Y, how much is Y paid per week? So, sorry. Koyasi ki X or Y to milaina tajun 550 paise per week na. So if X is paid, so X to tai 120 lode bishi wala paise. That means X total to 550 is it doesn't mean that equally by no. that means x to bishi wala pai je with compared to y, that means x to kiman pai je, that is x to 120 times 120%, that means 120 divided by 100 of the kida ho into grow into you y lo of y buji ja inga equation to form gre, that is x or y to 550 form je now. And if x is paid 120%, that means 110% rele 110 by 100 or 90% kushile 90 by 100, 80% of the x kushile to, that means x to y lo de bishwala paisa by 20% it was. So x plus y is equal to 550, x is equal to 120 into y by 100 guys. So since mon jane ki x plus y do 550 aja na, to ito x la value to editality, that is 120 y by 100 x plus 100 x dina 120 y by 100 plus y is equal to 550 go. Got it? So the 100 to be common do or 120 y plus 100 into y 100 y is equal to 550 nga. So 120 plus 100 to 220 y na is equal to itu dita multiply korishile to 550 into 100 multiply kore. So itu kina kuro kule to next to y korishile to 550 into 100 divided by 220. Got it? So I'll be rubbing this, you can note down. So next to is equal to y is equal to 550 into 100 divided by 220. So 0 0 cancel grow, 11 2 is 22, 11 5 is 55. Next to wait, there's been a mistake. Okay, no problem. It is 550 into 100 divided by 220. Those 0 0 cancel. 11 2 is 22, 11 5 is 55. Now next to 11 2 is 22, 11 5 is 55. Now 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. So the answer will be come on, it is y is equal to 5 into 50. So the answer is 5 5 is 25, 250 rupees. So the answer is 250 rupees. The question though you make like this. So first equation to say, that is x arrow y to 550 correct. Arrow x was paid 120 times, that means 120 divided by 100 of y. So itu x la value to you'll get the value of y. So the answer is y. Got it? Next, question number 12. It says that Anil buys a calculator for 600 rupees and sells it to Vikas at 10% profit. That means Anil ba Vikas ke bigri gushe at 10% profit. Na and Vikas ba Chandan ke sell gushe 5% profit de. Aro Chandan to tai loss ba bigri gushe to Dinesh at 20%. So to Chandan by to Dinesh ki kima ba bigri gushe kuina gushe. So let us break down this. So first itu Anil pal calculator to, that means cost price to kiman ase 600 rupees ase Anil ba. So ite Anil ba Vikas ke bigri kore ase to at at 600 at 10% profit. So 10% profit kina likho bole to for example the 600 rupees as a na aro tai 10% profit as that means tui suppose tui 10 taka as tui 100 rupees as or tui idula 10% profit to kina ho that means 110 divided by 100 ho. In the same way 600 as aro profit to 10% that means 100 by 10 8 kore to 110 divided by 100 ho. So the answer is itu tita 00 gele to 6 into 1110 de kiman ho 660 ho. That means Anil ba Vikas ke 660 ba bigger hoise. Got it? Next ita 660 to lobide cost price to ita 660 hoise. Ita next to Vikas pa kunge bigger ko Chandan ke. That means Vikas pa Chandan ke 5% profit to 660 to tela cost price hoise. Into 5% profit that means 100 te 5 kule 105 divided by 100 ho. That means itu 0 cancel kore 5 2 is 10 5 2 is 10 5 1 is 5 that means 2 3 is 6 2 3 is 6 aro 33 into 21 to kiman ho 693 itia that means Chandan to 693 baje profit to taila nutun itia utu calculator ra price data 693 ho jase ita Chandan la hate itu calculator ja aru la price to 693 je. Got this? Next to Chandan ba 6 itu 693 to tai 693 ba kini je aru tai ta loss ba figure kore. It means itu lo kom di bola jago to. So the answer is 693 na into loss to 20% as that means age the profit karonde plus kiman profit 5% ele 105 tak jino. Now loss kujile to minus kore that means 100 minus 20% to kiman hojo 80 that means 80 by 100 ho into 80 by 100 ho. So inga hojile to 0 cancel kore 693 into 8 to kiman ho 5544 divided by 10. So itu hojile to answer is 554.4. So the answer is 5544.4. I hope you understood this. Now let us go to the next question. How long will a boy take to run around a square field of side 35 meters if he runs at a rate of 9 km per hour? So first of all, tai etu ekta side te tai polai ja. Aru etu 35 meters je. Means etu length to koste aru 35 inga. That means etu 35 and etu 35. So total kiman hobo 35 plus 35 plus 35 plus 35 kiman hobo total etu square suppose yete bo polai jade ede side pa polai na tai nga jaina last yete hoishile to kiman hobo total it is 35 into 4 da kiman hobo that means it will be 140 meter it was etu tola length to total length to 140 meters aru tai speed to 9 kilometers per second so only meter itu meters do kotha to na so our speed to kiman aje 9 kilometer per hour na that means itu speed to 9 kilometer to complete kore in convert kore kilometer that means 1 kilometer to kiman aje 1000 meters so we will write 9 kilometer na that means it kilometer to meter to convert kore to into 1000 meter na divided by answer to second digit that means hour to second digit so 1 hour to kiman aje 60 minute aje only be aro 1 minute to kiman 6 second 60 second that means 60 into 60 na hoishito so we'll be converting 9000 divided by 6 into 60 3600 it was the last speed though. So I hope you got this. So Itu 140 to tala distance ase. Distance to 140. Our speed to 99,000 divided by 3,600. So now we know that speed to is distance by time ase. Distance by time. So speed to kiman ase it was lo, that means 9,000 divided by 3,600 is equal to distance to 140 divided by time to iman do. Now got this? So itu kina grow. So after this itu jaishikule do cross multiply kore, that means t into 9,000 hoishikule do 140 into 3,600. So I hope you got this. So t is equal to 140 into 3,600 divided by 9,000. Guys, 0 0 0 0 cancel kore, 0 0 cancel kore. 9 how much? 36. 9 4s are 36. T is equal to 14 4s are 4 4s are 16, 6 1 4 are 56 second. So the answer is 56 second. So you got this. So one thing though, conversion na kilometer per hour to change kro 5 by 18 be deoboro, but simple terms there. For example, kilometer per hour to change kro machine to 1,000 divided by 3,600. That means you do 5 by 18 be olai. Next another formula is speed is equal to distance divided by time. You remember this. Next 54.327 into 357.2 into 0.0057 is same as which of the following options? So just itu de ko kore nai, that is see the decimal means point bgd ki mana je ede 1 2 3 4 charta pangsta choita sata atta je na aro ede be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So after decimal place kiman aje itu atta je. So the answer is 8. ede saishikule to 2 5 6 7 8 9 ede 9 aje decimal bgd aro ede to 3 6 aro plus 4 10. So 10 aje. So after decimal place to here it is 10, here it is 9, and here it is 8. So the answer it will be 8 is. So ito or ito mile. So the answer is C. Next, a man has rupees 480 denomination of 1 rupee note, 5 rupee note, and 10 rupee notes. The number of notes of which denomination is equal. Now means sub equal as a what is the number of notes that he has. So ekjun manulete rupees 480 rupees ase or etu tai kiman taka ase, that means 1 taka ase, that means tai lote 1 taka ase na aro tai lote 5 taka ase aro tai lote kiman ase 10 taka ase. So etu tinta to milaina 480 rupees ase aro tai equal number ase. That means suppose let etu x koi number of notes mon xyz ene kali x it is because kali same means 1 taka to 10 ta dekle 5 taka pe 10 ta inga tako 10 taka pe 10 ta inga tako. So we don't know the number, so we'll just put x. So x there, x into kiman taka ase rupees 1 de 1 taka de plus x into kiman taka 5 taka plus x into kiman taka 10 taka is equal to kiman rupees 480 rupees. That means x into 1 x is plus 5x or 5 into x na or 10 into x is equal to 480 koi. Inga shukile to x x x, that means 1x plus 5 6 plus 10 16x is equal to 480 hoja. Inga shukile to x to 480 divided by 16 to কিমান হ'ব 16 3 is 48 that means 30 that means x is equal to 30 notes আছে that means 30 তো 1 টাকা আছে plus 30 তো কিমান টাকা 5 টাকা আছে আৰু 30 তো 10 টাকা আছে that means 30 তো 30 তো means 1 টাকা পেয়ে যায় আৰু 5 টাকা পেয়ে যায় আৰু 10 টাকা আছে that means 30 369 that is 90 notes থাকিব লাগে তো so the answer is 90 notes you got this so let us go to this Ankush Bali and Colonel subscribe to 50,000 for business means takan total the business to 50,000 talishi bujo paisa de it means Ankush Bali or Colonel to milena ton 50,000 paisa talishi bujo tana share na aro Ankush to tai কিমান আছে তাই Bali লুতে 4,000 more আছে 4,000 না plus mon emon najne আৰু x কই emon do না আৰু Bali তো তাই কিমান কৰ্ণল লুতে 5,000 more গৈছে বুলিবে Ankush লুবি বেছি বলা আছে that means 4,000 plus তাই আৰু 5,000 more আছে so it is 5,000 or 4,000 মিলে না 9,000 বেছি আছে তাই আৰু তাই কৰ্ণল তো তাই নাজানে কিমান আছে তাই লুতে না that means ABC to 4,000 plus x B is equal to 9,000 plus x or C is equal to x so total A or B or C total milana tan kiman paisa dalin ase 50,000 inga shikle to A to kiman ase 4,000 plus x na plus B to kiman ase 9,000 plus x aro C to najne kernel to x ase to 50,000 ase it means 4,000 plus 9,000 to kiman ase 4 9 10 and 12 13 sorry wait that is with total A plus B plus C do 5,000 50,000 আছে না kernel la to mon najine tai kiman আছে x আছে বলি তাই Bali to tai kernel to বেশি বলা আছে that is 5,000 আছে না আৰু তাই Ankush to more than Bali that means Bali to বেশি বলা আছে that means 4,000 more that means 4,000 plus 5,000 plus x look ulta hoise there so it will be 9,000 plus x ulta bai bolle that means kernel loti najini kiman ase holibe Bali la to kernel loti 5,000 more ase gana ar Ankush lute Bali loti tai 5,000 more ase so 4,000 more ase so already Bali to 5,000 more ase with respect to kernel so it will be 5,000 so total to 9,000 plus x ase so A plus B plus C to milai ne kiman ase 50,000 na so A to kiman ase 9,000 plus x aru B to kiman ase 5,000 plus x aru C to x ase aru to 50,000 ase na to 9 plus 5 to kiman ase 9 plus 5 to 14,000 na plus yede x to kiman ase 3x to 50,000 na so to bujide next Ede ashigule to ede jashigule to minus ho jao, that means 3x is equal to 50,000 minus 14,000. So 3x to kiman hobo? It is 36,000 na. 50 minus 14. So x is equal to 36,000 divided by 3 to kiman hoje? 12 3 to 6, that means 12,000. That means kernel la contribution to 12,000 hoje na. Aro ki koi idu kun ajo b do bali to kiman hoje? Bali to x plus 4,000 na, because the kernel the 4,000 more, so that means 12,000 plus 4,000 the kiman hoje? It is 16,000 na. Aro ankush to kiman hoje? Ankush to tai bali aro kernel bi bishi bola ase, that means x plus 9,000 leje. So x to 12,000 plus 9,000 the kiman hobo? The answer is that means 21,000. तो अंकुश ला contribution तो 21,000 ase. तो बुझिया. So answer to ये देखो तुमने दे अंकुश बाली आरो कर्नल ला contribution तो पाइसे अंकुश ला 21,000 बाली ला तो 17,000 हुआ and कर्नल ला तो 12,000 ना. ये सब मिले ना 50,000 होलाई. So इधर अंकुश ला contribution बिसार लो तान profit पैसे तो 35,000 दो इधरला ताई के मां पो, that means अंकुश ला 21,000 अजे ताई contribute करो out of किमान 50,000 contribute करे और ताना profit किमान अजे it is 35,000 profit पैसे इंगा. So if we do this we get किमान 1 2 3 1 2 3 or 5 cancel करे ले we get around 14,700. It was the answer. So the answer is 14,700. Next, study the following table and carefully answer the question given below. So 1990 91 92 and 94 dak 107 aja. So if the same percentage increase in the number of heavy vehicle as in 1994 over 1993 is expected in 1995, approximately how many heavy vehicles will be sold in 1995? So idu data dina je means 1990 ba 1994 dak kari kiman bigri kuse idu dina je. So kari bigri kona aje. So 1993 or 4 1993 de 81 bigri kuse aro 1994 de kiman bigri kuse 107. That means 1995 te kiman bigri kuse na kiman bigri kuse. So aro percentage tajan means English quarter same as it was. Means 1993 4 5 to tana bigri quarter same as. So percentage kina bisaro, that means 1994 take man bigri 107 na aro taike compare kro last year de 1993 take man bigri 81 bigri divided by itula hisab dilo do means itula 81 la hisab dilo means percentage English kaman je into 100 lo. Got it? That means 1994 de ki bigri kuse itu 1993 lo de minus kore itu is de itu compare kro 1993 de kiman baise to into 100. So itu kiman avo itu come around 32%, 32.07% avo 0.07% avo. So percentage to mon jani to na. Next to 1994 to next to 1995 te kiman olo na that means 1990 moi koshi ki 1994 te ki bigger koshi to itu nishna lo that means previous year la loe that means ita to 1995 la saule ase so 1994 la data sabi na aro 1995 la on sale to sawo to minus itu 1994 la data to saina into 100 crore it was got this so we write this as 32% ase na is equal to 1995 te mon najine ki ho so just write ki x ase minus to previous 1994 te kiman bigger koise 107 bigger koise aro out of 107 bigger go into 100 pisaro 100 pisaro so ido so 32.07 into 107 na is equal to x minus 107 into 100 so 32.07 into 107 divided by 100 to x minus 107 so if we get this we get around it comes around the answer is 141 so I hope you got this let us go to the next question at the moment the shadow's length of a shaft is 3 times the stature of the shaft the edge of the rising sun is kz so suppose ido mati ase na ede ekta lathi rakina shaft ekta te aro ido light mare ase so obviously ido la shadow to ede giro to so ido shadow ase na the shadow's length is root 3 the times of the stature so for example any one way so ido root 3 times so if we draw a triangle nga so the edge of the rising of the sun means ido rising of the sun ido edge to kiman degree ase so we know that tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 that means tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 to tan 30 degrees that means answer will be theta is equal to 30 degree so the answer is 30 degree for example any ido root 3 is or to 1 is equal to then ido tan theta is equal to base by hypotenuse that means root 3 by 1 that means 10 root 3 to 10 60 so degree to 60 so you get the degree as 60 if ido root 3 is equal to but since niji root 3 is so the answer will come to 1060 degree 1030 degree next the last question for today is on lending a certain amount of money on compound interest one gets 9,050 in 2 years and 9,500 in 3 years what is the rate of interest first common interest la formula dikese amount is equal to principal 1 plus rate by 100 or itu years number of years te inga pisare na to first common interest tai 2 years time de kiman dekhe tai 9,050 ne aro tai 3 years odon de kiman aje that is 9,500 na amount goes there to first 2 years kane kiman ho 2 years kane to amount 9,050 bajete is equal to principal to najine mon 1 plus rate pichar leze divided by 100 or number of years to 2 years gaze This equation number 1 rakhibe. Now that means this formula chola is a amount to 950 rakhe is equal to principal be najne 1 plus r by 100 arrow number of years n do 2 years for 2 years it was for 3 years kimano 9500 as no rate to is equal to principal 1 plus rate by 100 is kimano 3 years so is equation 2 so ita rate of interest r bizarre goes to so itu equation 2 divided by 1 guri means itu 3 years to divided by 2 years guri means 3 divided by 2 guri. So how do we get this? That is 9500 to is equal to p 1 plus r by 100 into 3 times now divided by 9050 as well 2 years is equal to p 1 plus r by 100 into 3 to 2 years zero now engoje itu the same rakhibe to dida na 9500 divided by 9050 is equal to p to najne to cancel korde 1 plus r by 100 into 3 itu 3 matlab ke je 3 bar multiply kuri go je itu la that means you can write this as 1 plus r by 100 to 3 bar likhi go je 1 plus r by 100 or 1 plus r by 100 na gaje similarly niche de 2 times likhi go je to 1 plus r by 100 or 1 plus r by 100 gaje gule to itu dita likhi kale ekta bachebo to that means we write this as 9500 divided by 9050 is equal to 1 plus r by 100 ho jao so itu mon solve kuri bole to we get this as 9500 by 9050 na itu edi jeshile tai minus 1 is equal to r by 100 that means 9050 to 9500 minus 905 into 1 to 9050 is equal to r by 100 to 9050 9500 minus 9050 to it will come to 45 divided by 9050 is equal to r by 100 gakro so cross multiply kore r is equal to 100 into 45 divided by 9050 gashigule to r do around 4.9% be po that is equivalent to 5% so the answer is 5%. So I hope you all got this. I'll be continuing in the next chapter, the next class, the final portion of the NSSB class. I hope you all understood this. If you have any doubt, you can put in the comments below. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day. All the best for exam. Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today aji moi notun video shuru koro that is on NSSB Combined Uniform Service Examination 2024. So today we'll start a new class on aptitude maths portion shuru koro because maths also contains around 25 marks. So first of all keyboard shuru korile to question paper purana solve koro. So the question paper today I am solving is from NSSB CETAC, that is Educational Allied Exam 2023. As you can see in the question paper, this is the CETAC that was held in 2023 in the question paper. So we'll be solving the question paper, and I would like to also announce that there's mock test for NSSB. If you're interested, you can register in the mobile, and also you can also contact in the social media for more information. You can see this and apply for the mock test. So let us start with the class. That is first question, maths portion. So first reasoning by sure group, choose the figure that completes the pattern. So the figure there just shortcut is to yeti draw group. So itu draw group and you complete the series like ngajawi. So this reasoning type you have to complete the diagram. So ngajawi ardo ngajaina ngajikuleto the figure will come somewhat like this. So from here kundo as option do. So as you can see the option is C. So answer to CO. So the answer is C. So I hope you got this. Let us go to the next question. In the observe the problem figures given below and select one figure from the option which will continue with the same pattern. So ये figure साइजले the dot as a cross as so idula position could shift करे to sabi. So if you see the arrow do tai yede balena yede jaise, that means tai suppose ini figure do inga draw करशिले तो first तो tai la figure do yede जा it is tai next to top जाओ it is there arrow जाओ anti-clockwise direction da. So inga जा so the last will be at down portion. So niche de down dako. Similarly, if we look at the dot portion do dot to say this is here. Next tai could in here. Next to could here. In the fourth figure is here. Fifth is here. So obviously next to it in clockwise direction. So it will be like this. So the answer which matches the pattern is option number A. So the answer is A. So bujishola. Next question. Among the 5 posts, Vasan is heavier than Manohar, but not as heavy as Raju. Jayan is heavier than Dutta, but lighter than Manohar. Who is the lightest of the group? So is it A, Dutta, Vasan, Jayan, or none of this? So you can just use the diagram. That is Vasanto heavier than Manohar. So Vasant V ba heavier than Manohar M. Inga. It is there. Next though, but not as heavy as Raju. That is Vasando Manohar lote bishi wala hole Raju lote komdi wala. So it not as heavier though Vasan garne is there not for Manohar. Next though Jayan is heavier than Jayan though Datta lote heavy as T, but lighter than Manohar. So J dota lighter than Manohar. So M Manohar to does lo. So you can bring this here. That is kinagro. It is Manohar to Jayan or Tata lote tangolaz. So from this diagram we can know that first to Raju as Raju the heaviest as it is last to konaze Dutta is the lightest person. So lightest person to konaze the answer is given as Dutta. So if question if who is the heavier it is Raju. Who is the second most heaviest? Vasant. Third Manohar. Fourth Jayant. So I hope you clear. Next question. If 78% of the total amount is rupees 390, then the total amount is kiman. That is 78%. So 78% the month kina dino kore. 78% will is 78 by 100 of the total amount. Total amount mon x is 390. Is which is equal to all of the is to. So is equal to 390. So x is equal to 390 into cross multiply into 100 divided by 78. So 78 to 5 is like f is a 40, 7 is 35, 39. That means 75, 78, 5 is 390. That means 5 into 100 is rupees 500. So total to 500 rupees is. So the answer is what? 500 rupees. So I hope you're clear with this. Let us go to the next question. That is, if A is to B is 3 is to 7, then 4A plus 5B divided by 2A plus 2B to k. So we'll write this as if A is to B, to 3 is to 7. That means k. That means it shows that A by B is equal to 3 by 7. So cross multiply agree. That means 7 into A is equal to 3 into B. Now that means A is equal to 3B by 7. Now so A is equal to 3B by 7. Now itu A or B la relation by 4A plus 5B divided by 2A plus 2B the kina grow. That means 4A. That means 4 into 3B by 7 plus 5 into B. B the inga chariwe. A la value the substitute grade. That means 3B by 7 plus 2B. Inga siya. So 4 3 is 2 of B by 7 plus 5B. 6B by 7 plus 2B. Itu bijda 7 do LCM lowe 2 of B plus sum 5 is 7 into 5 is 35B divided by 6B 7 do LCM lowe plus 7 2 is 14. Gonna will do as 7 or 2 of B plus 35B do kiman aje 47B or 6B plus 14B is 20B divided by 7 cancel agree, B cancel agree, so will come as 747 by 20. So the answer is 47 by 20. Option number A is the correct answer. That is 47 by 20. So clear? Next question the LCM of 24, 30 and 45 is LCM. So LCM the kina bisaro 24, 30 or 45. LCM the kina bisaro 24, 30 or 45 to itu LCM. First to 2 power सबसे lowest number 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 15 is 30, 45. Next 2 6 is 12, 15, 45. Next 2 3 is 6, 45. Next 2 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Next are 3 because 3 5 is 15. There are 5 1 is 1 is 1. So 1 1 nada grow. That means 5 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. It is solve to multiply agree. So we'll get it as 360. So the answer is 360. I hope you're clear with this. So by chance the question I see, for example, the product of two number is 2 and 3 and the LCM is this much. LCM is 5. So what is the HCF? So we know that the product of two number means 2 or 3 la product means 2 into 3 though is equal to LCM into HCF as a formula though. That means 3 to the 6 is equal to LCM given as a 5 into HCF. That means 6 by 5 to tela HCF. That is the product of the number is the product of the LCM and the HCF. It is the correct answer for this answer to 360. So I hope you're clear with this. Let us go to the next question. That is the value of 0.5 square minus 0.3 square. That is the answer. So just write the equation as 0.5 square minus 0.3 square divided by 0.5 square not square 0.5 minus 0.3 itu 0.5 square do 0.254 or 0.3 do that means kina kuro do 0.5 to or 0.5 itu 5 of that 25 to point bijite ekta jo 1 2 so itu nisha 1 2 age jabe to 0.254 so I hope you're clear with this 0.25 minus 0.09 0.3 or 0.3 multiply do 3 3 is 9 3 bijite dita first ekta dita that means 3 bijite ekta point be 0 ekta 8 kuri 0 ekta that means 0.09 huwa so divided by 0.5 minus 0.3 dike man huwa 0.2 so the answer is 0.2 0.2 0.25 minus 0.09 dike man aje it will come as 15 minus 9 6 2 to 1 is 0.16 so the answer will be 0.16 0.16 divided by 0.2 to itu kina kuro gele to point to khatai dole itu fraction to convert kuro that means 16 divided by point bijite ke man aje itu la sabte 100 ayo into aro 0.2 to 2 lobe 2 le shikle to kiman point aje itu la sabte point bijite ke man aje itu la sabte 0 ayo that means point bijite 2 is that means only one digit that means 10 so 0 0 katibe 2 2 8 is 16 that means 8 by 10 or we can write it as 0.8 so I hope you're clear number A is the correct answer next choose the odd pairs from the following alternatives so 140 45 110 35 100 to 30 or 80 to 25 so the case is 140 or 45 the minus kuri we get this as 595 ठीक है 110 or 35 the minus kuri we get this as 75 ठीक है now 100 or 30 we get this as 70 ठीक है or 80 or 25 minus kuri we get this as 55 so all have 5 except for this 70 which is having 0 so it will answer to C is the odd one so I hope you're clear with this let us go to the next question read carefully the statement and conclusion and answer which follows the statement the statement is the average number of person living in per household in urban area so urban area la manu de ke man ase 5 ase average manu do and 7 in rural area rural do manu do 7 ase means rural do bishi wala ase means rural do urban de bishi wala ase it was a statement first means one it was decode kore ja or national average to 6 ase national average to 6 ase national average to ke ase 6 ase kina ase 5 plus 7 divided by 2 to 12 by 2 do 6 ase ido so ido correct ase so take as a statement do ido diche first conclusion dike ase the population per unit area in rural area is lower than urban area so ekta ba ko ase ki rural area to less than urban area ko ase but first statement ba janishi ki rural area de 7 ase do so how can it be less than urban so since number 1 do ase ki number 1 last statement do ase ki rural area do lower than urban goje but itu statement national average pa do rural do bishi wala ase so itu incorrect ase number 1 do itu wrong ase number 2 the more person live in the same household in the rural area as compared to urban area so rural area de takamano bishi ase as compared to urban area so this is correct because rural area la average to 7 ase or urban to 5 ase so we can decode the fact that it rural area mano bishi so 2 do correct aja 1 do wrong aja but 2 is correct so 1 do wrong aja but 2 is correct so only conclusion 2 follows so the answer is B so I hope you got this let us go to the next question the pie chart shows the sales of different fruits in a day so itu means ek din de iman saman bigri hoy uda means ekta fruit bigri roman itu tai banana grapes and so bigri so tala sale la digaja so question digaje if 1200 kg the bigri hoja so banana kiman bigri hoja so banana we know that it is 30% so 30% the mon kina did not grow 30 by 100 of the total so 30 by 100 into total 1200 as a total so 0 that means 12 into 30 is 360 so the answer is 360 so by chance by ne for example ki just say ki they are asking for orange so orange la the 15% as so 15 by 100 of 1200 so 0 that means 15 into 2 of the common as 15 to 5 to 10 2 to 3 5 on the 5 1 that means 180 kg bigri hoy so idu nishna grapes will 10 by 100 of 360 1200 so 120 kg inga so basing on the question idu answer the ulle so the for banana it is 360 let us go to the next that is po cat hoof the cat means cat la do tala thing do po aja to idu nije hoof to do ki karne use kare mon horse they use kare because horse to hoof aja tala sound katak do sound all the it is done by the horse so the answer is horse number 97 the square root of 5929 square root kina besoro so we know that solution formula is 5929 inga table ekta panawe it is the square root which is the pair lui square means 2 is 2000 square na that means pair duida lui inga for example ini ki 291 hoje so inga hoishile to for example ini inga pangsta digit ase so either pair lube pichi bai be aro ekta wala to chhari di tai nichor means in the ive but here we have 4 digit 5 digit dile dika is the answer 5929 aro tala square root to inga way pair lube 59 or 29 or 59 dos pair lube itia 59 do bisarwe square root ke ja square root ke ja 2 to the 4 3 is a 9 2 to the 4 3 is a 9 inga means same number hola 4 4 is a 16 inga so 59 do सबसे osar number ke ja let us take 6 so 6 6 36 is ठीक है 7 7 जा किमान है 49 है osar है और 8 8 64 that means 49 do osar hola as compared to this 64 to be sure so we'll take 7 so let us go to 7 so let us take 7 7 7 the 49 to kita to 7 ho idu niche dibe 7 ekta be ki number holbe hoise to minus kore 59 or 49 to 9 minus 0 5 minus 1 4 it is 7 or 7 to plus kore 7 plus 7 to kiman aje 14 aje hoise aro itu hobi jedi to 29 bi niche ai bole le duita be gelo de naimo bole now 1 4 hoje there 14 hoje itia here we have to put a number so that yete for example 2 is gele to man 2 thali gola yete 3 dale is gele to yete 3 dale banga so I hope you're clear For example, just the 142 2 za, that means 2 2 za 142, 2 za ke mana za 2 2 za 4, 7 2 za 4 2 za 8, 2 1 za 2, 2 284 no bong je to. So we'll take different number. For example, just take 9, just take 7. For example, 147. Basically this is 7 hour. That means 147 or 7 is 7 7 za 49, 9 4 9. Now some 4 za 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 2, 3 and 9, 7 7 8 9 10. That means 47, 7 za 1029. Itu all is the answer now. So we'll use this. That is 147, 7 za 1029. So we should tell remainder of kotomushe. That means the square root is 77. So I hope you're clear with this. For example, any cube root bisaro go for example 59296 la cube root bisaro go square root to mon duita pair chole do lebe cube root to will take 3 number. That means tinda number equal to. So this is the formula for finding out the cube root. So the answer is 77. Next question. Miss Latha travels from A to B. Latha to tai A ba B tak chaise at the speed of first to tai jadam de tai 10 kilometers per hour ठीक है and returns to from B to A at 15 kilometers per hour ठीक है. So what is the average speed? So we will think like average speed to किमान हो जाएगा 10 plus 15 divided by 2 हो जाएगा तो किमान होगा आंसर तो 25 divided by 2 is 12.5 इंगा लो. So this is wrong. इंगा system no चलाए थे. Average speed करने बिचार हो गया तो formula है that is average speed देखिए जा formula था that is speed 1 तो ताई 10 है और speed 2 तो ताई 15 है means A तो B तो ताई 10 लुचे और B तो A तो 15 लुचे. So average speed la formula देखिए सकले तो 2 into speed 1 into speed 2 divided by speed 1 and speed 2 divided by speed 1 and speed 2 la plus 2 into speed 1 into speed 2, 2 into S1 is 2 divided by S1 plus S2. 2 into speed 1 is 10 into 15 divided by S1 plus S2 to 15 plus 10 to 25. 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 3 is 15. That means 2 into 3, 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So the answer is 12 km per hour. Manupishi do corner so answer is wrong. Answer is 12 km per hour. So I hope you're clear with this. Let us go to the next question. Count the number of squares in the given figure. So ido square count gurle do manually do count gurle bishi do gaza. So what we'll do, we'll take an example there. For example, ido bitor wala root square do bisar inga there it was the bitor wala just so ido 1 or 2 formula aro ido numbering करे 1 or 2. So square do ekta square or duita square. So we'll take the square root of 1 square plus 2 square. That means 1 square, 1 1 is 1 or 2 2 is 4. That means pangsta. So itu charta box te square do pangsta. So itu nishna next day yeti jeshugile da aro ekta pangsta ho do. Aro ekta jeshugile do keman ho aro pangsta ho. That means 5 plus 5 plus 5 15. So I hope you're clear. Answer is 15. I hope you're clear. Let us go to the next question. The last question is, how is my brother's father's daughter related to be? The last question. So suppose it is 2 years you just say you're A or tila kuna ja tuila dada ja just say b na tuijon to sibling aja tuila dada la baba it is your father aro tela tuila baba la baba that means grandfather gf grandfather na grandfathers ki aja aro daughter to taila daughter ho that means tai sibling ho and taila kono jo daughter ho so the answer is what since tila baba la didi ho de do to taila tuila auntie la bacha to kona ja so you'll use the term as cousin so the answer is cousin. So with this the video on combined CETSA NSSB question paper has been completed, and if you're interested in the mock test, the link is provided in the description. You can check it out, and you can also contact for more information which will be very helpful for your NSSB preparation. Thank you and all the best.